I just completed a BE Mechanical Engineering from College of Engineering India, Anna University. As of late November, I was placed in the prestigious Tolaram Group. Most of its operation is based in Nigeria. It's a conglomerate basically whose operations range from noodles, textiles, and marketing, and also chemicals. So, as part of the induction training of our group, I'm undergoing a green belt and black belt training with Benchmark Six Sigma. Last week, I completed green belt. Before undergoing this training, I know that 5 years meant something with housekeeping, and Six Sigma means 3.4 defects per million. So after undergoing the green belt training, I knew what the DMIC actually means. Each page, what we do in it, the calculations and the statistics behind it, how to start a project from a scrap and how to go through it. So I understand it all now, and the most important thing about Benchmark Six Sigma is that it's not like a classroom training. It's more of like an informal training, and the other thing is they are skillfully teaching the concept so very well that it will be very easy to understand. Actually, I finished my engineering now, so I'm very easy to understand it now.
My qualification is BE Triple E, and I'm from CEG Anna University. I did my green belt recently in Aloft, and I got a lot about DMAIC and its uses and Minitab, and I hope its black belt will also be a good knowledge.
BE Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Anna University, Chennai, which is the prestigious institutions in the country. And I'm proud to be a part of Tolaram Groups, which I got selected. And I undergone my green belt training here in Radisson in the first day and other 3 days in Aloft. It was a great experience for us to be there with the green belt training program under Mr. VK sir and Santanu Kumar sir. It was nice to be there, and we learned a lot of concepts also, and I hope it will be useful in the black belt also. And hope this training will be very useful in our future endeavors, and we hope it will be easier for us.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vignesh Khanna. I have recently completed my bachelor's degree from CEG Anna University, and I'm here for this black belt training, which is given, which is supported for me by Tolaram Groups, Lagos, Nigeria. I have completed green belt from you and Mr. Shantanu Kumar sir. My expectations from this program are I would like to meet the real world constraints in Tolaram Group of companies, because most of my work will be based on this Six Sigma projects.
I finished my BE degree in Anna University, Chennai, and I got placed in Tolaram Groups, Nigeria, and I have just recently finished my green belt Six Sigma training last week, and hope I have cleared that green belt Six Sigma training. Before I get into the company, my focus is, before I get into the company, I must understand the concepts of Six Sigma.
BE Industrial Engineering from College of Engineering India, Anna University, Chennai. We did a green belt last week. So in the green belt, we studied the outline of what is the DMIC processes. So in black belt, I would like that we go deep into the whole process and how it is. We worked on some practice projects. So in black belt, I hope we work on more complex projects like that. Thank you.
I did my BE Industrial Engineering from Anna University, Chennai. We did a green belt last week, and this black belt we expect that we'll go deep into the subject, and my expectations are once we finish this black belt, I should be in a position to employ the Six Sigma concepts in Tolaram.
I'm Balamurugan. I did my BE Mechanical Engineering in Anna University, and I did my green belt course with your company, Benchmark. Shantanu Kumar handled the classes for us. It was a great experience. I expect the same from black belt also, which will help me proceed my career, and I'm placed with Tolaram.
I finished my BE Industrial Engineering in Anna University, Chennai just now. I'm undergoing this black belt training with the support of Tolaram Groups, Nigeria, and I have completed my green belt training program last week. These training programs are very special because it along with my colleagues, it gave a good bond with my colleagues who are going to be with me in Nigeria. And the green belt program gave us a good insight about the Six Sigma and the methodology adopted in Six Sigma projects. I hope that this black belt training program will give me a good in-depth knowledge about the Six Sigma implementation